Yep. I'm over the Echo Mountain now on the, what do you call this trail? Echo Mountain Trail back there. 3/4 of a mile. Pretty cool. Let's do the video the whole way. Ah, there's those people. Did a good job on that cliff. This is part of the old Mount Lowe Railway right-of-way, actually. This was the bridge, one of the bridges here. Went through this. Here's the approach for it. It goes right across there, up to there, and it's pretty far off the canyon floor. Oh, top of the descent, going down. Everything else is downhill from here. I could use that. Probably the tide. Can you give it a name? Mount Lowe Railway. You can pause it if you want to read that. More of the approaches and pier supports over there. And here's another set. Set down the canyon there. Look at that. As I slip and fall because I'm not paying attention to where I'm stepping. Just walking. Here's more of the signage of the High Bridge. So again, you can pause and read if you want. This is the High Bridge, they call it. Oh yeah. I think I touched this trail. First person I've seen all day. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yep, that's a long ways down. Look at that. Wow. Alright. Go across here. This is all shale, so you can see how cracked it is. That's why we have an earthquake up here that's so noisy, because all the stuff is moving around and crumbling and falling down the canyon. Let's see if we can get a view from here. Oh, 10 cents a bottle sitting right there. You gonna risk your life for it? There's Sunset Ridge over there. Over the Echo on that side. Almost halfway across. Already. Another bridge. It's a small one. Across. a beautiful yucca. It's in good shape too. Look at that one. There's a drop off. Here's another support and approach. I don't know if it comes this way or it circles around over to there. I think it circles around to there because I don't see an approach on this side. Yeah, this might be the circle bridges. Good vibes only. I'll take it. Went down there and spray painted that. Took time for them to do it too, so they were precarious. Now we're on the other side of the canyon. We were just over there on the Sunset Ridge side. Now we're on the Echo side. So now start back towards Echo. We want to fill in the right of way because there's ties. Yep. And below, out to the west, we're at Sunset Ridge. Pretty neat. Another bridge, small one. Yeah. More sketchy trail. This is the, I'm not sure if that is. You can pause if you want to read it. Alrighty, that one in shade, it feels good. Definitely on the easier trail. This will go a little easy. Alrighty. There's a lot of those little bridges there. Yeah, there's ties again. They're just walking. That's pretty. Look at that. Fall is the prettiest time of the year, especially on a mountain, because it turns colors and also gets quiet too. Everything goes to sleep. Except for her. This wall, look at tug there, has a date. Looks like looks like October 9th, 1922, if I'm reading that correctly. I guess I am. So that puts it right at 98 years old. This wall here. It's made out of rock that was found around here. as we traverse the wall. I hear people, but I'm not sure where they are. What's that thing? We come across the canyon. That's where we were. Started this trail over there. Where that tree is. And yeah. People are coming. Good morning.
Good morning.
Oh,
Card rate 116.
good morning.
Thank you.
Sure. I'm proud. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Alrighty. Let the train go by. Another sign if you want to pause and read it. Alpine Division. Circular Bridge. Moss Forest Canyon to Mount Low. There they go. Well, that's what you have to do on the trail. Let people go by. Especially if they're going uphill. I'll wait for them because don't want to lose their momentum. They came up the easy way. Oh, see another wall. Keep a date on it. There might be. What's this one? Oh, this is a better one. Oh, 212, 20. So this one's even older. This one's over 100 years old. This wall right here. Oh, it took them 2 years ago from this wall to that wall up there, about a quarter mile. Whoa. It took a long time to build this. Step on that. Look at that. There's the ridge that came up. Three-phase, we're almost turned around. There's someone down there too. Bypassed the cliff area, took the road up to there, along that road, down that trail, and here we are. Pretty good. Nice being in the shade. Yep, someone's coming up Sunset Ridge over there. We're past the escalator part. Interesting when you go on the ridge, passing by stuff on the ridge, and you look at it from here, you recognize things like, oh yeah, that's the hump I was at and did this. It's like, oh yeah, there's the escalator, there's the hump. And we returned. Yep. GoPro's going. I see the tree of Good Hope. We'll head over to West, or not West, Echo too. Then ring the bell. We have to change the battery in this thing. It was at 50% on the other side of the canyon here. Hopefully we won't lose marbles and have to reset the date on it. Look at that. Doesn't turn colors yet. Alrighty. It's hard for an introvert to talk on this thing. If you have to fill in the gaps here, it's like, okay. See a lot of heart-shaped rocks on this. You saw a heart-shaped hole. Now you're getting closer to the Echo Trail. It was down right below us. And yeah, almost back to the normal trail. I thought it'd be a lot more crowded than this today, but I haven't seen that many people. However, this would be AOD if you're on the goat trail. Most ever seen on that thing is about 10 people at a time. But since the goat trail is closed for a year and a half, it's our new goat trail over there. They'll get you too. You hear music and sticks. Okay. Uh-oh. Should be the middle sand marrow? To the left? It's the middle sand marrow. Alright, we're almost to the junction here, the Echo Trail. I'm not going to record that because there's too many people there. I don't want to invade their privacy. So, there's the signage down there for the middle sand there, or the Echo Trail. And there's Sunset Ridge over there. And we came down. So anyways, that's that. And we'll see you on the next one.